Janine Gutierrez, labis din ang kanyang kalungkutan dahil sa pagkawala ng kanyang dalawang lola. Dalawang lola agad ang nawala sa isang iglap lamang at talagang mahirap din sa kanya para tanggapin ito. Parehong malapit sa kanya ang lola na ito dahil nga sa kanyang mami Lotlot de Leon at sa kanyang daddy Monching. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Nakaplano na nga si Janine Gutierrez na magbakasyon nga sa ibang bansa kasama si Echo ngayong Holy Week. Ngunit sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, lumisan nga ang kanyang mamita, ang kanyang lola Pilita Corrales. Sobrang pagdadalamhati nilang pamilya nang mawala si mamita at naging busy na rin sila sa pag-aayos ng kanilang funeral service. Kaya naman dahil dito ay ikinansel ng lahat ni Janine Gutierrez ang kanyang travel abroad. Sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, muli nakatanggap ulit sila ng isa pang mensahe ng kalungkutan mula naman ito sa kanilang mami Lotlot de Leon. Pumanaw na nga rin ang kanilang lola Nora Honor kung saan nabigla rin sila dahil nga hindi pa man nalilibing ang kanilang lola Pilita Corrales ay agad namang sumunod si superstar Nora Honor. Nagbigay mensahe naman si Janine de Leon nang mailibing na ang kanyang dalawang lola. Sabi dito, "It's the first time in 10 days that I'm not at a wake. This Holy Week, my siblings and I lost 2 lolas, mama and papa's mothers. Kakauwi lang namin galing sa wake ni mamita nang mag-alas 4 ng hapon noong April 16. Pagdating ng alas 10 ng gabi, tumatawag na ulit yung kapatid ko sa chapel para kumuha ng kwarto para naman kay Mama Guy. It's been difficult and unbelievable. But all throughout, you have helped us so much with your support and love. Thank you so much for your thoughts and prayers. We love you so much, everyone who sent a message, dropped by, or had us and our lolas in your mind. Initially, I blocked off the week to travel but decided to just spend it at home. Sabi ko, mag-ayos na lang ako ng bahay at mag-aral ng script. Buti na lang hindi na ako umalis. Mamita passed away on my first free day and we buried Mama Guy on my last. Driving to my location today, I think of my 2 new angels and how they always powered through. I think of how I can continuously make them proud. It gives me comfort to know there are many of us who will always have them in our hearts. Thank you." Pansamantalang naging lakas din naman si Janine Gutierrez ng kanyang tita Matet de Leon dahil nga sa pag-iyak ni Matet de Leon, hindi niya nga mapigilan ito dahil maraming ang regret itong si Matet de Leon. Talaga namang lungkot na lungkot sila sa pagkawala ng kanilang mami. Marami nagmamahal kay Ate Guy at nagbibigay pa rin ng sympathy sa pamilya niya hanggang ngayon. Deepest sympathy to the family of Miss Nora Villamayor, Ate Guy. First time to attend such service eulogy of a dear friend of my husband Ray. Truly a great actress, good person indeed. May her soul rest in peace with God our Father. Kaya pala madami po siyang fans. She is truly a good and wonderful. P.S. Idol po siya ni Mami Dec and Nanay Remy. Truly, Nora Honor will be buried as a national artist and will be laid down sa libingan ng mga bayani. Mula yan kay Maria Lourdes, Punong Bayan.
Ayun, sinalubong nyo na lang kayo eh.
Marami ang nagsasabi na she is worthy of the title the National Artist of the Philippines, the superstar here on earth and is now in heaven. God rest her beautiful soul forever. Condolence to your family, rest in peace tita. To my longtime best friend Kenneth De Leon at St. John College of Quezon City. Hope you still remember me. Mulayan kay Jantel Montelurgre. Mula naman kay Tess SK, rest in peace Miss Nora Honor, the pride of the Philippines. Thank you for your great contribution to our movie industry. Pretty sure you'll remain in the hearts of many people. Rest in peace Idol Nora Honor, your popularity stems from your story which is rags to riches. Most the poor Filipino connect themselves to your life story. Your struggle in life as a young poor girl selling water and peanuts in train and bus stations have created strong connection with the audience. Her life's journey is absolutely remarkable. You are not simply gone forever. You just went home to our Heavenly Father's kingdom. Night, night, sleep tight.